In front of me is OnePlus Nord 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on this section called Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. Then click on All Themes here. Pick any of those or select My Themes and click on any of those ones. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit Apply at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!